Understanding lobbying for a cause. A guide to influencing change. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's crucial in the world of politics and social change. Lobbying for a cause. Whether you're passionate about environmental protection, education reform, or any other important issue, understanding the power of lobbying is key to making your voice heard. So, let's embark on this journey together and uncover how you can influence change effectively. Lobbying for a cause refers to the act of attempting to influence decisions made by officials in the government or other institutions. It involves engaging with policymakers, presenting arguments, and providing evidence to persuade them to support a specific cause or policy. Lobbyists can represent a variety of groups, including nonprofit organizations, corporations, or even individual citizens passionate about a cause. The primary goal is to bring about legislative or policy changes that align with their advocacy. Lobbying plays a crucial role in a democratic society. It allows individuals and groups to communicate their needs and concerns to those in power, ensuring that a diverse range of voices is heard. By lobbying, advocates can raise awareness about specific issues or causes, influence public policy to reflect the interests and needs of the community, ensure that minority or underrepresented groups have a voice in the decision-making process. 1. Research. Understand the issue you're advocating for thoroughly. Know the current laws, the stakeholders, and the potential impacts of policy changes. 2. Build a coalition. Join forces with like-minded individuals or organizations. There's strength in numbers, and a united front can be more persuasive. 3. Engage with policymakers. Identify and reach out to the officials who have the power to make changes. This can include meetings, writing letters, or attending public forums. 4. Use social media. Leverage the power of social media to garner support, share information, and mobilize supporters. 5. Be persistent but respectful. Change often takes time. Continue to advocate for your cause with determination, but always maintain respect and professionalism in your interactions. We hope this video has illuminated the vital role that lobbying can play in advocating for a cause. Remember, every voice matters, and through informed and respectful lobbying, you can contribute to meaningful change. Whether you're an experienced advocate or just starting out, your efforts can make a difference in shaping the policies and laws that govern our society. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to work together for a better world.